Hey, we got a box from Planet Pleasures today, and we're going to see if Benny is going to help us look inside. So we haven't opened this yet, and I'm going to open this without him around the knife. I don't know how he's going to react to pulling new things out of a box. He's pretty brave, but these are going to smell different too. You ready? You're going to help me? So I went on the website and they were offering 15% off, and it was before work, so I decided to wait till after work and take more time in choosing the toys. And when I came home, I had an email saying 20% off. And I ordered a lot. There's not a grand total on here, but they do say, "Thank you, Evelyn. God bless you." That's very, very nice. So it's Planet Pleasures. You ready? Come down here. All right, let's try it again. Come here. Come here. Okay, you can just stay on me then, all right? Does that work better? All right. What do you think of this? I don't know if the names are on each one of these. This is called the Caterpillar. Got little strings on the bottom. Want to look at it? Not really? Okay. This one is called, it says Foot Toys on the tag, and it's a Caterpillar foot toy. Now that's a really heavy foot toy for somebody Benny's size, but I can put a hanger on it and we can hang it somewhere. This one is called a fan. It does look like a fan. It's really cute. Nope, he doesn't like that either. This one is called Birdelier. Oh, I'm holding it wrong. There we go, like this. Kind of reminds me of wind chimes too. That's really cute. This one is Nature Cluster. Very nice. He's watching from afar. Here's a little ball. It's called a woven ball foot toy. Mahogany ant. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Bamboo daisy. These don't have any kind of a chemical smell to them. It's very nice. This is called a straight ball natural spiral balls. This says it's parents' party time, fun to chew and full of surprises. And it's called Bird Bell. Bought a bunch of the D hooks to hang these things that don't have real hangers on them. This looks like another foot toy. And it's called Bamboo Foraging. Hello, Georgie. Did you come to help me? This one is called Corn Blossom Ring. These are all so pretty. So these are kind of big for foot toys. I might have to hang some of them. This is just a bamboo foot toy. This is actually a small. That's pretty big small for a ring neck. Hi.
Hi.
This is called Spiked Pinata, and this is also small. This one is called Chomper Small. It almost looks like it could go either way. It's very tightly put together. It's really nice. Are you good, Georgie? This one is a double flower foot toy. Corn silk crisscross. And this is in a small also. Pretty good size for small. Thank you, Georgie. Oh, this has some shells on it. This one's called Cluster Mix Soft. It really does have a nice natural look to it. 2 more. 3 more, sorry. This one's called Spiral Preener. This one is Cluster Mix Hard. Everything I got is either small or medium. This is called Comet. What do you think, Georgie? You want to try that? You want to try it? Yeah? No, not today. But you'll come over on the other side. Where it's safe. Is it safer there? Do you want to try it? Thank you. You want to try it? Oh, see, that's a good one, isn't it? Good one. Okay. Well, I got this whole box with their discount and free shipping, $117, and it wasn't $118. I don't remember the exact price, but anyway, that is. I don't know where I put the paper. Anyway, that's a great deal. Thanks for watching. Bye.